OpenVSP software to design different kind of wings. I mean, like basic things we have understood. Okay, how to input our wing and how to use those parameters. Okay, so by using that understanding or with the help of those understandings, what we have to do, we have to design different types of wings with the different aerofoil additions. Okay, that may be tapered leading edge or straight trailing edge, tapered leading edge and trailing edge, delta wing, swept back wing, straight leading edge and straight trailing edge. Okay, any of this like this. Okay, or like this. So what we have to do now, we have to go to OpenVSP software, because these all things already we have discussed, right? So I suggest all of you open your OpenVSP software.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Not visible. Wait, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe it's giving same problem. I mean, like run. I will show you how to design different kind of wings. So what we have to do, we have to go to geometrical browser. We have to add wing. Bhuneshwar, it's giving same problem maybe. No, it's visible, sorry. Okay, so what we have to do now, currently this is our default wing, and in this default wing we have default aerofoil. Okay, that is NACA 0010, and we also have default span. So here we will vary this wing. I mean, like we will change its parameter and we'll try to achieve this kind of wings. Okay. Now, first we will do delta wing. Okay. Use your top view.
So your screen is gone again, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Once we disconnect and reconnect, your screen is going, sir.
Mm-hmm. I will share once again. Now it's visible, no? Yes, now it's visible. Okay, so here what I have done, just I have varied the span, that's it. Okay, so which means we have to reduce this one. Okay, which means this is our tapered leading edge and straight trailing edge wing. If you want to increase the sweep angle, just come to sweep. Okay, here we have section. Okay, so yeah, currently we have not splitted this section. What we will do, we will increase little bit sweep angle. Okay, and simultaneously we will adjust this one. Okay, and we will increase the chord. Let it be this much. Now we can say this is our straight trailing edge and tapered leading edge wing. Now for this wing, we also can convert the same wing in delta form. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just increase its chord. Okay, and come to span, increase its span, and Yes.
So
Or
CC
else
sharing is
you
gone.
can. Bhuneshwar sir, I think again today we are facing same technical problem.
Yes, sir. I will check.
You please check now once. Students, all of you please try to vary your parameters and try to achieve such kind of wings. Okay, but we have different types of wings. uh, no need to use any standard parameters, just you roughly you vary some parameters and try to achieve such kind of wings. Okay, and later we'll go according to the parameters I'll be giving. Okay, I mean, like, we'll go according to the standard parameters and we'll design wings. When it will stop again I will share, don't worry. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will split this wing, come to section, split this wing. Okay, go to second section here, in this section, and use diagonal angle 90 degree. Okay, so for that case what we have to do, you have to split this wing into section, first section and second section. Second section what we have, that is this one. Okay, and this is our first section, and this is our complete wing section. So once you come to span, okay, I mean like plan form, here whatever you give input that will affect to only your main wing. Okay, which means complete section. See, I will vary the span, it is not affecting to only one section or second section. Okay, the total span is changing. Okay, similarly chord. Okay, and similarly your area, or else you can double click on these tabs. Okay, you can give total information. Okay, that is parameter information, total span, similarly projected span, chord, area. So what we have to do, we have to come to the section, in this section, second section. Okay, I will use 4 window. So this is our ISO view, top view, side view and front view. Okay, yes. Now see, you are in this window. How you should understand that you are in this window or this window or this window or this window? You have to click, that's it, wherever you will be clicking. Okay, so there you can vary that parameter. I mean like that view you can change, and on that particular window, here we have totally 4 windows, and this red box indicates you are in that particular window. Similarly you can come to each and every window. Okay, where we have ISO view, front view. Okay, and our all different views. So I'll call this one as a top view, front view, and for this one left view. Okay, yeah, now I'll come to section, second section. This is a second section. Okay, go to diagonal and change the angle 90 degree. Okay, okay, so what we have to do, we have to reduce this span, overall span. So second section overall span 5, reduce that one. Similarly, we'll check the root chord and tip chord. See, for the second section case, this is our root chord and this one is our tip chord. Okay. Number 2 indicates that you are in that second section. So second section, this is our second section where we have a root chord and tip chord. So you can vary your root chord. Also, you can vary your tip chord. If you want to change the sweep angle, that also you can do. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, so generally this kind of wing we'll call blended wing. Okay, now what we'll do, we will come to first section. Okay, yes, we will change the span. Little bit will increase the span. Okay, let it be this much. Okay, yes, so if you want to increase overall wing chord, then you can come to plan form where you can vary overall chord and also you can adjust the span. Okay, like this you can do changes. Yes, so if you okay with this kind of model, then what you have to do, you have to just shade, that's it. Now see, here I have to change the aerofoil cross section. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just come to X form, I will off the symmetry. Okay, yeah, now what I will do, I will change this root chord cap. Okay, will increase the length, also offset. Okay, now we will use the symmetry about XZ plane. Okay, yes, so if you're okay with this, then just shade. Okay, we'll go to second section and we'll increase its parameter. Yeah, so today we are doing the rough model, that's it. Okay, next class onwards we will go with the proper dimensions, because you should understand roughly. Once you understand the roughly, okay, how to use all these tabs what we have, options, then rest of the things will become very easy. Okay, so yes, see, geometry is not that much smooth, so you can smooth this geometry by increasing number of tessellations. You can come to X form general. Okay, here we have number of tessellations. Yes. Okay, you can decrease also, no problem. Yeah. So this is our blended wing, where you have top view, front view, and left view, also left ISO. You can smooth this geometry, no problem. You can come to section 1, where we have root chord, tip chord, okay, and this cap. Okay, yes. Yeah, this is our one wing. Okay, now we'll go to, yeah, before going to next wing, let's save this file. Save as. So model 1, or give the name as blended wing. Yes. Yeah. Now go to file, new. Now sweep wing. We know, just we have to increase sweep angle. That's it. Okay. Suppose this is our default wing. Already we have sweep angle, that is 30 degree. Okay. Now what I will do, I will change this angle. Okay. 30 to 0 degree. And here we will come to plan, where we have span, projected span, and chord. Okay. Yes. So by increasing the chord near the root chord side, okay, we will come to section where we have root chord and tip chord. So we will increase root chord and will decrease tip chord. So we can say this is our delta wing, right? If you want to increase thickness of this, that also can be done. Okay, root chord location, twist, dihedral and all. Okay, so to increase the thickness, what you have to do, you have to come to aerofoil and just you have to increase the type of aerofoil. Okay, see, now I'll add circle. Completely the shape will get changed because the cross section type which one I have chosen circle. So geometry got disturbed. Now I will select 4 series. Okay, where we have thickness to chord ratio, and also we have 5 series. Also we have 6 series. Okay, 16 series. So whichever series, yeah, see here we have 6 series. So whichever uh, you are looking to add the type of aerofoil, just choose that type of aerofoil and add to your model. That's it. So now I will select 4 series. Here we have 4 series. Okay, thickness to chord ratio is too much.
Live streaming
Just
has
decrease this one.
stopped.
Okay, yes. So you'll go with 20%, which means 0.2. Enter. So now we can say this is our delta wing. I'll shade this one. Okay, after shading, you can even add a material. Okay, that means black rubber or glass dark, like this. Or default red. Okay, so this is delta wing. We will save this also. Accept. Go to file, go to new. Yes, so we'll add once again. Yeah, so now what we'll do, we'll go to section, we'll add number of sections. Okay, just to show this kind of thing. Double sweep angle. Okay, here we have only one sweep angle. Okay, so we will add one more sweep angle. So what we'll do, we will use views, 4 views. Okay, currently we have some parameter, default parameter. So here we have only one section. We'll split this section into two form. Okay, this is our first section and this one is our second section. First section sweep angle is 30°. Let it be. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll just increase number of this diagonal little bit, like this. Okay, 10°. And now in between these two, I will split this wing again. Okay, and here I will decrease this one. Okay, now we will go to last section. Here also we will split. Okay, we'll increase the diagonal angle, let it be 5°. Okay, and we'll increase the sweep angle. And we'll come to last section, fourth wing section, and this one will maintain 90°. And now we will use one window and we will shade this one. See, wing shape is completely different. You can come to each and every section, you can vary its type of cross section. Okay, see here we have number of sections, right? First section with respect to this first section, we have section planforms. Okay, span, root chord, tip chord. If you want to vary the span, root chord or tip chord, just vary that like this. Okay, now this is our pure blended wing. I'll come to section where I will increase the thickness to chord ratio. Yes, now we can say this is our blended aircraft or blended wing, like this. If you don't want these lines, okay, just you have to go to surface, use surface degeneration or plate generation, where you can able to see only plate kind of geometry. That's it. Okay, if you want wireframe mode, click on wireframe. If you want texture mode, just click on texture mode. If you don't want any of this, then click none. You will get only lines. So this is our 2D picture. Front view, top view, left view, and all other views also you can have a look. You can select all and you can even shade here like this, and simultaneously you can add the material. Okay, so we'll save this one. Go to file, new. So you should ensure that before going to new option you have saved your file or not. One. Okay, again we will add the wing. Now what we'll do, we will change the cross section at each and every point. Okay, I'm like yeah, before that let's split this wing. Okay, okay, see, what we'll do now, we will come to the plan form. Yes, let it be like this. Okay, so here we have two section. For this two section, section 1 and section 2, we have same sweep angle. Okay, for first section sweep angle is 30, for second section also sweep angle is 30. Okay, so what we will do, here we will decrease the sweep angle 30 to 10 degree, and in the second section we will increase 50 degree. And like instead of 30 degree we'll go with 50 degree, or else you can come to first section, here you can maintain 50 degree. See, for both the cases it's 50 degree. So here we have such wings also like this. Okay, and for the same wing we can do alterations little more. Okay, in the second section instead of 50 degree, what we'll do now, we'll reduce this to 20 degree. And in this also what we'll do, we'll split again. Okay, we'll go to last section and we'll increase the dihedral angle little bit. Let's go with 90 itself. Have people seen this kind of wing? Okay, so this is what the options what we have in the OpenVSP. By using all these options, can create different types of wings. Here I will just increase the thickness to chord ratio. At each and every section you can increase thickness to chord ratio. Now currently I am on first section, so thickness to chord ratio is 10%. Okay, camber is 0. Like this you can increase the camber, and preview also you can have. Similarly you can jump to next section, and you should understand that when you come to that particular section, okay, now see currently I'm on first section, so in this case this one is our root chord and this one is our tip chord. Now when I jump to next section, second section, that time this one will become root chord and this one will become tip chord. So we have root chord and tip chord parameters. So you should understand these things in the OpenVSP. You don't have to confuse with this root chord, tip chord for each and every section. We'll share this one. Okay. Now we'll go to file, new, add. So now what we will do, we will do taper leading edge and taper tailing edge. Okay, so come to, no need to split. Okay, just I want to show taper leading edge and taper tailing edge also can be done. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll come to plan form and just we can increase the chord like this, or else you can come to section, you can play with these two parameters, root chord and tip chord. So what I'll do, I'll just use 5° sweep angle. Okay, let's go with 15°. Okay, we will go with 15°. Okay, yes, so here we have taper leading edge and taper tailing edge. Okay, you can come to section, you can increase the thickness to chord ratio if you want to increase, otherwise just keep as it is. Front view, top view, left view, and here you have all the 4 views. Okay, where we have tapered leading edge and tapered tailing edge, which means this kind of thing. Okay, see here at tip of this wing, okay, we have root chord and tip chord. You can come to tip chord. Okay, you can change its cap type. To do that, what we have to do, we have to come to the section, okay, where we have root cap and tip cap. It's flat. Okay, so you can change the root cap and tip cap type. Instead of flat you can use rounded. Now observe the top view. Similarly I will increase the length and offset. Thickness is too much, so we will reduce this one. It's 30%, it's too much. We'll go with 20%. Okay, yes, So now we can check top view. See, it's completely like this, right? Even you can increase the span. For our case, span is less, so we can increase the span. That's it. And for the same wing, we can convert in rectangular form just by varying sweep angle. Okay, which means we don't want sweep angle 0. Okay, yes. And before this, we'll save this one. Now we'll do. Okay, so we'll go to section. Don't want sweep 0. Oh, sorry. Okay, see, this is our wing where we have leading edge sweep angle. Okay, where trailing edge there is no sweep angle. So this is our sweep leading edge and straight trailing edge wing. You can maintain same root chord and tip chord. That time it will be your rectangular wing. That's it. Okay, you have to maintain same root chord and tip chord. So what I'll do, I'll maintain same root chord and tip chord, that is 2 and 2. So this is your rectangular wing. Rectangular wing means what? Root chord and tip chord length should be same, right? Yes. So this is our rectangular wing where we have same root chord and same tip chord dimension. Okay. If you're okay with this, just you have to save. For our case, a span is too much. We will just reduce this the span. Okay. And we'll shade this one. Okay, this is our rectangular wing where we have straight leading edge and straight trailing edge. Aerofoil shape, I mean like cross section, it's a NACA 0010. Even you can have a preview. Now see, thickness is 10%. You can vary the thickness, and same thickness variation it is affecting to our wing. Okay, you can go to next section. Next section in the sense tip side. So whatever just now I varied, okay, that is at this root chord. Okay, so you can click like this and you can jump to tip chord or tip side of your wing where we have default aerofoil type, that is NACA 0010. Here also will increase the thickness to chord ratio, that is 15%, 1 5. Enter. Okay, Yes, we'll 40%, no? So we'll just take 30%. Okay, yes. So here we have top view, front view, left view, and all views. Okay, yes. If you want to add the camber, that also can be done. 2%, 3% camber also you can increase. Okay, and location of camber also you can change. Okay, so we'll save this one. Go to file, save, and call this as rectangular wing. Accept. Okay, so we have done with the tapered leading edge, straight leading edge, tapered leading edge, okay, and trailing edge. Okay, delta wing, sweep back wing, straight leading edge, and straight trailing edge, straight leading edge, and tapered trailing edge. Right. Apart from this, these are all different wings what we have. Aircraft with the different types of wings. Okay, you can do that also. And that's what we have done in today's session. Yeah, now I will go to question and answer session. Yes, any questions from your side, students?
So can you open the delta view?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, no need to open. Yeah, let it be. We'll open. Where you have written? Yes, accept. Yes.
So for this delta wing, isn't the aerofoil supposed to be the other way around?
Sorry, please come again.
The aerofoil section, the aerofoil should be the other way around, right? Not this way.
No, it's a rough model. Okay, it's a rough model. Okay, so for delta wing, we will go with a thin aerofoil. Okay, so what we have to do?
Yes,
We
sir.
have
I
to
know
just
thin aerofoil, but it should be the other way around. The tip should come at the base of the triangle, right?
this one you're telling
Yeah.
shape, no?
The aerofoil should be from the point to the base.
Yeah. Yes. From here to here, you asking, you are telling, no?
Yeah.
That's right. But it's a rough model. That also can be done. What we have to do? Just we have to come to the section. Okay,
Okay.
as I told, it's a rough model, no? So you can do changes, no problem. Okay, you
Sure.
can just vary. Yeah. So any other question?
No, sir. No question.
Yes. So Bhuneshwar sir, shall we end the session then? Okay. Okay. Yes. Thank you. So yeah, we'll continue tomorrow. Yes. Okay. Thank you, students, for joining. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.